Ostriches, nature's sprinting giants. Ostriches are the world's largest birds, native to Africa, and instantly recognizable by their long necks and powerful legs. These flightless birds stand up to 9 feet tall and can weigh over 300 pounds. Despite lacking the ability to fly, ostriches are remarkably fast, capable of sustained running at 30 to 37 miles per hour, and sprinting up to 45 miles per hour when threatened. Their distinctive appearance includes small heads, large eyes, and a body covered in fluffy feathers. Contrary to popular belief, ostriches don't bury their heads in sand when scared. They either flee or, if cornered, deliver powerful kicks that can seriously injure predators. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal and lay the largest eggs in the world. They're highly adaptable, thriving in various African habitats from savannas to deserts, and typically live in small groups led by a dominant male.